Welcome back, violinisti. So today we're going to do Yankee Doodle version 2. So let's do our usual little analysis. So we got the treble clef, chiave di violino, the key of the violin. Then we got 4 crotchets in every bar. Do we have any quavers? No, we don't have any quavers, so we don't have to worry about it. And then also we've got the metronome set at 55. So that means we're going to hear 4 crotchets. So we're going to hear 4 clicks in every bar. And so we don't have to worry about the quavers. Try to use long bows. Stay very light, and remember, this is your brush. You're a painter and this is your brush, so you have to be very light, like a butterfly, and don't press it any times. Okay, stay relaxed. Okay, I think we're ready to go.